Today, we've been invited down to Bridgewater House in Palmer's Green, Enfield by Delta Security, who have recently installed our dual-button ExiTimer device on site. Built in 2007, Bridgewater House is a 3-storey combined retail and residential block with 4 floors of apartments and a ground floor dedicated to retail space. Delta Security were tasked with replacing the existing traditional break glass units on site with our dual-button ExiTimer device. Let's go inside and take a look. Here we have Bergen, a senior engineer at Delta Security who installed our dual-button ExiTimer device on the communal exit door. So Bergen, tell us more about the site. What was here before the dual-button ExiTimer was installed, and why did the client want to change?
So previously there was a standard push-to-exit button with a break glass. What kept happening was the break glass was kept on being activated, front door was constantly unlocked. So with the timed release on the emergency button here, it solved the problem of not having to reset a break glass.
Have the issues on site been fixed since the device has been installed? And if so, how?
Yeah, because the emergency button here, which replaces the emergency break glass button, which once you press, you have to manually reset, which nobody apart from a caretaker or us will do. This is automatically reset itself, so we haven't really had to come back to do too much with it, to be honest.
Now you've installed the device, would you recommend installing a dual-button ExiTimer device to replace a traditional break glass unit, and why?
Yeah, from a couple points. Steel construction, the old break glasses and push-to-exits are generally plastic made, so they are up for abuse. And we have sites where break glasses are constantly being pushed because somebody's forgotten they lost their fob, they don't want to buy a new fob or something like that. People will keep pressing the break glass. So this gets rid of that issue by having a temporary break glass.
If you'd like to find out more about our ExiTimer devices like the one installed here, you can either click the link at the top of the screen or get in touch with us at support@urmet.co.uk.